Hello everyone, welcome back to Epic Deals. This is Mar, and today we're going to be talking about the top 5 yoga mats for beginners that you're going to definitely love if you're getting started on Pilates or yoga. If you're watching this video, you're probably getting yourself back into fitness. You want to find a great yoga mat that works, that has a great price, and obviously that has great reviews. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. But before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss amazing deals. We have Black Friday pretty much all year round. That's our slogan, so make sure to subscribe to the channel, and if you want, you can also turn on the notifications so you never miss a deal. Kicking things off at number 5, let's talk about this mat. This is the Amazon Basics Extra Thick Exercise Yoga Mat. Now, if you're in a tight budget and you just want to get started with yoga, you really don't want to spend a lot of money on a mat, I will definitely recommend that you check out this product because the pricing is really great. You can find it for only $22, but not only that, the quality is amazing and will definitely help you get things running with your fitness. It is affordable, it does the job, it has the Amazon Basics name on the product. It has a great cushion that is going to protect your knees and also your wrist. This is really important when looking for a yoga mat because you don't want a mat that is super thick, but you also don't want to get one that is really thin. And sometimes when you find affordable mats, this can happen. Now, like any other product, it does have a downside. It does have PVC on it, which means the mat is not eco-friendly. So if you really care about that and taking care of the environment, we should move on to product number 4, which would be a better option for you. The IUGA eco-friendly mat is definitely for you if you want a great product and if you also care about the environment. What makes this product unique is that it has alignment lines on the mat, which means that this is going to help you have more grip and support while you're working out. As a beginner, this is huge. Those lines are going to help you position your hands and your feet correctly. If you really don't have much experience with yoga, it is crucial that you take care of your joints, your knees, etc. So you want to make sure that you buy a quality mat that does that for your body. And also in this case, if you get this one, you're not only going to protect yourself, but also others by taking care of the environment. This mat is made from TPE material, which means that it's a little bit more eco-friendly than your regular PVC. The reviews on this product are amazing. It says that the grip is phenomenal. So it doesn't matter if you're sweating a lot. Let's say that you want to try it out hot yoga or hot Pilates. This might be a mat that you want to check out. This product has a carrying case, which makes it easier for you to grab your mat and head to class. And it is also a really pretty color. I'm looking at the green one and I'm actually thinking of getting this one for myself. This mat starts at $29, but if you check the link down below, you might get a special discount. Moving on, we have the Gaiam yoga mat. This is one of the most popular yoga mats in Amazon, and it is one for a reason. This mat is portable and convenient. You're going to see that it has a great carrying case, which is helpful if you're moving around, you're going to your job, or you're a student who goes to class and then you want to hop on to a yoga class. It has amazing carrying protection, and it's also one of the thickest ones in the market. So you're also going to be protecting your body. This mat comes in a variety of different colors. You have purple, black, blue, green, pink, red. So if you're a girly like me and you like to make your things look nice, I would definitely recommend to check out this mat specifically because it is pretty much a mat that you can customize and make it your own. The dimensions for these mat are 7.2 inches large and 24 inches width, which means it is a pretty large mat. This mat is 10 millimeters thick. That means it is really thick, and the pricing is actually really good. You get a pretty good deal for a really great product. The pricing starts at $24.95. So make sure to check it out down below if you want to start out with Gaiam as your first yoga mat. Moving on to product number 2, we have the Jade Harmony Yoga Mat. Now, don't get scared when you see the pricing on this one. I know for some people it might be crazy to spend more than $100 for a yoga mat, but the pricing is actually for a reason. The Jade Harmony is made from open cell natural rubber, which means means it literally grips the floor and your hands and feet in a way that synthetic mats could never. This means you won't be slipping, you won't be falling over, you're always gonna be gripped to the floor no matter how hot it is in the room or how much you're sweating. Now, this is a mat that is a little bit thinner. It is 4.7 millimeters, but if you're a pro, you really do not care much about the thickness of your mat, but actually how well you're able to do your postures and your practice. The cons of this mat is that it is a little bit heavier. So if you're always on the go, always on the move, it is going to be a little bit heavier to carry this mat around. This mat comes in different colors as well, like midnight blue, purple, black, and olive green. I definitely love the olive green option, but there are different options that you can check out depending on what your favorite color is. And now our number one yoga mat. The first one, the winner on our list, is going to be the Manduka PRO Yoga Mat. This mat has lifetime durability, hygienic construction, and is pretty much something you would get if you're a pro and you're looking for a premium mat. Starting off with lifetime durability, this brand promises that this mat will last you a lifetime. So yeah, it is a little bit pricey. The mat starts at $140, but think of it as an investment. It also comes in different colors like olive green, blue, black, purple. The durability is amazing, and hygienically wise, it is going to be the best option for you. But other than that, if you are a pro and you want to get the best of the best, I would definitely recommend this mat for you. And that is a wrap for today's video. I hope this video helped you, or at least it motivated you to get started on your fitness journey this 2026. Remember that working out should be your number one priority. It's not only good for your body, but it's also going to help you mentally. And yoga, Pilates are usually the safe option if you're just getting started with fitness. It is a little bit hard. Most people go into yoga thinking it's going to be super easy. It can be challenging, but it's definitely worth it for your health, your body, and your mental clarity. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you liked it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.